isn't just an unboxing video. I'm going to show you how I chose the perfect shade of blue for my something blue for my upcoming wedding. I know you guys want to see the unboxing first, so we're going to get straight into that, and then I'm going to talk about how I chose the perfect shade of blue, what to look out for, and how exactly I did it remotely by not going into the store. So if you are someone that needs to shop remotely, I've got lots of great tips in that part, so make sure you stay right till the end. The delivery driver literally just dropped this off, so we're going to do this unboxing together for the very first time. I actually had to head outside, show my ID, and sign for the package before they could hand it over. Okay, before we get to the necklace, there's actually an envelope included in the box, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's a few things in here. I don't know what this is. I've never received this before. What do we think this is? Let me know in the comments before I open it. Oh, this is actually something I haven't received with my previous pieces before. They've included a complimentary jewelry cleaning kit. It comes with a really soft brush and a soft polishing cloth, which is a nice touch because obviously with fine jewelry, especially pieces you're going to wear often, keeping them clean and looking their best is really important. I actually think this is such a thoughtful addition. I absolutely love it when brands gift you things with your purchase. So cute. I love it. With regular wear, the motifs can actually get like a layer of dirt on them, so I think this little brush is going to be really helpful to get right into the corners to clean it properly because you can't get them wet. Okay, what else do we have in this envelope? This one is a little travel pouch to store your necklaces. Cute. Nice and soft. I love it. Very nice. Okay, next up we have the authenticity card and the care guide. So this will have the serial number from the piece on it on the authenticity card. And then this next envelope is just my purchase receipt from the store. I bought this necklace as my something blue for my wedding, and I really hope I love it because I never got to see it in this store. Oh, beautiful. Wow. My sales associate has wrapped this really nice. It looks so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. I hope it's the perfect shade. It was so hard to pick a blue shade. I went through so many different pictures with her to pick the perfect one, and I really hope this is it. Okay, outside box we open up, and then we have the beautiful green internal box, the nice silver embossing on the front. Everything is in this beautiful green. It's so soft. Eek! Oh, this is a little soft protective cloth that goes over the top. Oh, such a pretty blue. Wow, the chain is so sparkly, you guys. Wow, take a look at this. This is way nicer than I was imagining. I could not be happier with this blue shade. And here it is, shining in the different lights against my skin tone. It was so hard to find a picture of a blonde with blue eyes with this necklace. Here's a close-up. Look how shiny that chain is. Wow. It comes with this little grey tab that once you remove that, you cannot return the necklace. Okay, trying to find the perfect blue shade. My sales associate had 3 blue agate necklaces in stock. She probably thought I was so annoying because I was getting her to take so many pictures, but I needed to choose the right blue up against all these different backgrounds. Because blue agate can vary so much in color, I got her to put them in the same order against a black background, a grey background, and then on her skin so that I could choose the right colour. And I ended up going for the far left one. I thought that just had the most beautiful royal blue colour, which is exactly what I was looking for. I even went so far as to Google a picture of what royal blue looked like so that I could send that to her and she could help me pick the one that looked as close as possible to that colour. When you're spending so much money, you need to make sure that you get it right. You need to request so many photos and different lights from your sales associate because you need to be sure of your decision. This is literally the picture that I sent my sales associate, and I reckon it is pretty close. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did I pick the right blue? Here is what it looks like on. And I have decided that I am going to have it extended exactly the same as I did with my grey mother of pearl Van Cleef necklace. I just feel like on me it just sits a little bit too high, and I prefer my necklaces a little bit longer. So exactly the same thing, I had this Bulgari necklace extended too. So I literally just picked up the extension kit from the post office today. Now Van Cleef and Arpels does it a completely different way now. They never used to do it this way. Used to contact your sales associate and they would organize a pickup for you, send it off, and then it would come back to them and then they would send it back to you. So it could take about like 3 weeks. Sorry, excuse my dog. She's always in my videos. It could take, yeah, like 3 weeks to have your extension done. But the new way that they are doing it now is you make a service request on the website. So I'm going to go over this whole thing for you in my next video and exactly how my experience was having it extended. But anyway, this is the service kit that just came in the mail. There's also an envelope full of information that I haven't read it yet, and there is a postage bag for a courier company. So I believe that they organize somebody to come pick it up from you, and then they send it directly to their repair center. They extend it 5 centimeters, complimentary too. They don't charge you for the 5 centimeters within the first 12 months of purchase. So you can extend it, and if you don't like it, you can send it back and then have them take the 5 centimeters off if you want. But I believe they won't extend it any further than that. Like that is the max. But anyway, this is the kit that they sent me today. So this is my first time ever doing it like this. So yeah, as I said, my next video will be all about my experience doing it this way. So in here is a box. And this is like spongy. I think this is meant to be like membrane. I don't even really know how to open it yet. So I haven't tried this yet. Oh, okay. Here. Okay, so you open it up, you put your necklace in, you close it up, you seal it, put it back in the box. This is actually really cool. I like this. To ensure that it's not going to get damaged in transit at all. Inside here has that really soft material as well. I like it. I like it. So yeah, this will be my next video, my whole experience on having this necklace extended by 5 centimeters, which should mean that it will sit sort of just above my Bulgari necklace, because I had this one extended 5 centimeters also. I've also had the bracelets that I have had links removed from them to shorten them. So both of my bracelets have been shortened to 18 centimeters. And I also, one other thing I want to add, the motif on the necklace, in case you're wondering, is exactly the same size as the motif on the bracelets. The only thing that is different is the chain is slightly thinner than the bracelet chain. But otherwise, the motifs are exactly the same in size, thickness, everything, in case you were wondering. As always, if you see anything that you like in my videos, I link everything in the description, all the jewelry that I'm wearing, the makeup that I'm wearing, everything, so that you can shop my whole look if you want to. Make sure you check out this video next because it has so much interesting information on choosing the right type of gold jewelry. And then I will also link in the description the videos that I think you should watch next, which is my jewelry collection video where I showcase my whole jewelry collection between 2 different videos. So the first video I have like rings, bracelets, watches, and then the next video I have my earrings, anklets, necklaces, what else? Yeah, my piercings, everything in that one. So I'll link those in the description for you if you want to check those out. Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. I'll update you how my extension goes. See ya.